Let's make this simple, easy, but delicious egg chicken fried rice. This was so nice and it was ready within some few minutes. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome. We do easy cooking recipes. If you're interested, please subscribe or follow for more videos. Thank you so much for your time. I have my chicken stock here. I'll go ahead and pour it in my cooking pot, and then after that I'm going to wash my rice very well and then add it to it. Okay, thank you so much. If you're new here, we do easy cooking recipes, and if you're interested, please subscribe or follow for more videos. My returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it. So before we proceed, I'm just going to add my soy sauce to it. Okay, it contains salt, and then the chicken stock also contains salt, so we are not going to add any salt to our rice till it is ready. I will go ahead and then give it a gentle stir, because we've added our soy sauce, okay, so that it can mix very well. Now it has been on fire for almost 20 minutes, and now after extra 15 minutes, this is how our rice is looking. It is ready, and now we are going to prepare the fried rice. Just look at that, so beautiful, and it was so nice at this moment. So in my saucepan or frying pan, whatever you call it, I have my soybeans oil here. I'll go ahead and add my eggs and then allow it to be on fire. So we usually prepare in such a way that at this moment you go ahead and give it a stir so that it will scramble. Okay, in today's recipe we want it a big chunks. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it on fire just like this, and now I'll separate it to get that big chunks before we add the next ingredient. Are you still with me? If yes, please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. And thank you so much for always watching my videos, and thank you for clicking on today's video. I do appreciate it. Now I will add my carrots, because among all the vegetables that I will be using, this one is the hardest. Okay, so I will add that and then give it a stir, wait for a while before I add the other vegetables. Thank you very much. Now I'm not going to add any seasoning, anything to it, anything that contains salt. I'm not going to do that, because we have enough in the rice, okay, because of the chicken stock that we used. Okay, now I'll add my green beans and then give it a stir and wait for a while. Thank you very much. At this moment, I still do not have anything that contains salt or any seasoning. Okay, thank you so much. I'm not going to add ginger or anything yet, but I will add a bit of pepper, because ginger, garlic, and those things are in the stock. Okay, yeah. So after some few minutes, like 3 minutes, this is how it looks, and it looks very delicious. Now I have every vegetable in there, the one that I'm supposed to add now. It's okay. I'll go ahead and add my oyster sauce and then give it a stir. The oyster sauce also contains some salt. Yes, so that's why I said earlier that we are not going to add any salt to our ingredients. Okay, so I'll give it a stir and then wait for a while. But at this moment, I'm just going to add my rice, but I will be adding to the vegetables and the egg bit by bit until I'm done mixing everything. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much. I'm very grateful. Okay, so I've added my onion, and then I've started adding the rice to it bit by bit, and I'll go ahead and add more. Now this is where we've gotten to. Just look at that, so beautiful. It looks better than the one that is on the roadside, I guess. Thank you so much for watching, and until I come your way next time, always take good care of yourself. Remember, I love you. Till we meet again, see you in the next video. Bye.